We wanted an electric fireplace for our living room renovation, and we bought this one from PuraFlame. It's the 33-inch Western electric fireplace insert. The fire looks so real, very realistic. It has different flame options. It can make crackling sounds. It comes with a remote control and does put out a small amount of heat. We wanted a fireplace for looks and ambiance, and this one was perfect. Plus, the price was great. It comes with this little remote control. You can turn on and off the fireplace. You can have a flame with blue in it, one without blue, a low flame fire, or you can turn it off. This is the one I prefer right there. It does contain resin logs that sit on a bed of embers, and there is a grate inside. The remote control also lets you turn on crackling sounds. Don't know if you can hear them. There are several different crackling sound options. Some are good, some are not so good. And you can turn the crackling off if you want to. We had this stone wall built, and we had the contractor leave a hole for the fireplace. So you simply plug it in, push it in place, and that's all you need to do. And it's a ventless fireplace, so you don't need a chimney or a vent. You can set the fireplace directly on the floor if you want to. We chose to elevate ours a little bit just for looks, but it has a very sleek design, does not stick out at all. Right up here, you have hidden controls behind this grid. You can pull this open. You've got your on, off, and other things right there. And then if you choose to turn on the heat, you've got vents right here. A little bit of heat will come out. It will heat a small room up to 400 square feet. But again, this is for ambiance. It is not meant for heating your house. The fireplace does have a glass front, but it does not get hot at all. It's totally cool to the touch, and you can see me here in the reflection of glass. I will say that when the sun hits the glass at the right angle, you can see your reflection. We read many other reviews about this fireplace before we made the purchase, and a lot of people were concerned about the glass and wanted to know if it could be removed. No, it cannot be removed. It's inset into the casing of the fireplace. And when it first arrived, I was concerned about the glass, but now that we have this installed, I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I don't even notice the glass. It looks great in our room. It gives us the vibe and the ambiance we were looking for. It makes me feel like I have a real fire, even though it is not. And I love that I can control everything with this simple remote control. Overall, this was a fantastic purchase, well worth the money, and the price was actually really affordable compared to so many other electric fireplaces that we looked at for our living room. This one had the best price, the most realistic fire. We are loving our PuraFlame fireplace.